Hello and welcome back again, my friend. This is Thomas with you again with another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin price prediction. So if it's the first time of you here, you watching me now, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to help us to find other audience for this channel. And if you've been a subscriber with us, go down and smash the like button. I want you to that video to reach at least 40 likes today. So the last video we reached to 20, that one we wanted to reach to 40. So go ahead and do it, my friend. So without further ado, let's start our Bitcoin analysis of today, my friend. So as you see, my friend, here the daily candle is finished. And what did I told you before, if you remember? And you've been someone with us here. If you remember, my friend, what last time us we said we got here a trend line like that. By the way, I'm going to show it to you now. Just take it off for the picture to be more clear to you. And we said here that trend line here, it's become like a resistance now. If you remember that green candle here, that one, it came to it, then it fell down. And today the same thing as you see it here. Today it came that red candle to it and it become red. It's pushing down, my friend, as you see it or no. Now that level, it's become a very stronger level, my friend. So what we need to do now, let me show you here and here down in the volume, my friend, as you see it today. Volume, it's not that big. As you see that red candle, it doesn't break in here. So what that telling us? In the previous, the reds, they used to be bigger, but now they're getting reduced. And the greens, not that bigger compared to. So over here, what's happening there in that zone there is an indecision, my friend. Here in that zone, also we're talking about that one, there is an indecision there, my friend. Here, there is an indecision. And I tell it to you before, here the chart, it tried to give us here like a small flag like that. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Now what you need to do is very simple now. You just came here, you drawing in the top of that one here, a flag like that, and the lower here like that. And you waiting where it's going to be broken. If it's broken up, you enter long. If it's broken down here, you enter short. That flag is going to be like the first one here, if you remember it here. Here we used to have a flag. Same thing here. Everything in front of you, my friend. Just came here like that, same size. You're going to calculate it, then you make it like that. That's how it's going to do, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let me show you something else extra here. And here, my friend, what you have here in the big chart here, you have here in that level here like a triangle, my friend, as you see it. Yes or no? It's a triangle, my friend. Now what you need to do to that one, you need to wait in one of two. The price to come to break for you the lower of it, then you're going to come to calculating from top till here, or from here it will go in upward and to give you here. That is going to be the best thing happening to the Bitcoin this year, my friend. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. So if you are an investor, my friend, forget about other people what they're telling you. Till now there is no opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. Till now there is no opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. Unless if you want to invest in it, just they say for long term, that's another story. But for people, they want positional trading for 1 year, 2 years, there is no opportunity yet, my friend. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if you remember what else we have in here, we got here a trend line like that. And we said it touch here, it touch here, and it touch here. And here, if you came from the top like that, what you see in, my friend? Here, like that. What you see? You got a down channel, my friend. Here, here, and here. That's a down channel. Yes or no? So let me draw in that down channel with you. Here it is, my friend. You see the down channel. Me take it off those things for the picture to be more clear to you. So now, what the picture now telling us, my friend? As you see it now, it's very, very, very clear now, down channel. As you see it, let me show it to you. As you see it now, from here, you can do like that, and you can do it like that. At the bigger channel, you are in a down channel. There is another one here. From here to here, like that. So what that telling you? It's telling you us we are falling down, my friend. The two channels they showing you us we are falling down. Why us we falling down? Because last time, the last high Bitcoin here, it give you here a head and shoulder. I don't want to show you the bigger picture because bigger picture it give you double top. Now you are falling down. Now what we need to do? We need to wait here, my friend. There is no time now to buy or something. It's still more early, my friend. Everything is too clear. That me, I'm talking here about investors, not day traders or something, or positional traders. Investors, they don't care about the price action, what they're doing. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, my friend, it's still here at the oversold area, so there is no time to buy now. It needs to become red like that, and here in the chart to give us a price action, it indicates us we are going to go up. So till now, there is nothing yet. let's go into our other indicator to see more. That one, my friend, over here, the picture is more clear to you. If you remember what else we said before, we said we got here a zone here and another one down here. It's a flag actually, it's not a zone. The price here, he came in the top of it, he couldn't break it here. So till now us we are not going to go up, my friend. It's need to break and to go up and to break for us that middle level as we said before. And here we got that long term trend. Or it's need to break down and to go back here to the oversold area, my friend. Everything is very easy, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, everything is too clear. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, it happens something very important here. Let me show it to you. Here it is, my friend. As you see here, that candle here, if you remember what else we said, the one will break the trend line. Then look what it did. It came tail up here. Then now it fall down to touch the trend line. And here it's showing a rejection, my friend. Here in that candle, here in that zone, it's showing a rejection. So now what you need to do? Let's hope now that candle there is going to give us like a morning star or a hangman or whatever the names. Let's hope it's going to give us a red candle like that. Then next to it, we don't care about the color of the next candle, but over there is green, is good. Then it needs to be another candle here, green, but it needs to come with power, because that one which is going now, there is no power in it, my friend. Everything is too clear. And another thing, how you going to be sure that you changing from down to upward, my friend? Let me show you. Are you going to know you are changing from a downtrend to a uptrend, my friend? It's very, very simple. Look at me, with me, very, very careful here. Here in the top here, what you got there? You got here a zone, my friend. Every time he touches, he fall down. Yes or no? It's very clear there. And down here down, what you got? Here you got the same thing, another zone, my friend. Every time he touch it, he go up. Yes or no? Now, what the price it need to do? It need to break up or to break lower. That's it. Forget about the rest, because we're focused only with that. Thanks me, a draw for you now. Draw it in your chart and waiting where is the chart is going to break, up or down. That's it. Everything is too clear, my friend. And here, me are thinking personally, here, the price is going to give us another small flag like that one. Like how it happened here. If you remember it and you've been someone who've been in the market, here, what it used to be there? A flag. And here now what the market giving you? Here in that zone, as we said. And here, that lower here. Not a flag, my friend. Not another flag. Yes or no? So that one, the first one, it's break it for you here. Now, I think it's going to break it here. Need to make a close eye at those things, my friend, as we explained to you here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what detailing us for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, if you remember what else we said, that one is very, very important. I need to zoom it like that. What else we said before, my friend. That one, what we said about it, my friend. We said here, it's need to break for us that level here. But what it did there, look at it. Here, what it done. He came here and he peaked. He give you there a peak, then he fall down. A break for you the last low here. Now what it need to do, it need to go back and to break for you the high to be sure the trend it changed. Or another thing here, very important, if you see here, what it giving us here? It give us here like a flag, my friend, or a wage or whatever, name it. The names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade. Now, what my view me personally, I think now is going to go back to touch the lower of the divergence trend line as we drawing before, my friend. That one. It will come back to it. It touch it here. Then after that, maybe it's going to go upward. But till now, also we still here in the zone of the bears control, my friend. So I tell it to you before, bears control that one up here. The bulls control. Also still in the control of the bears, my friend. Remember those words. If you want, when also we tell you to enter exactly, my friend, it's very simple. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. And you, if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button. I want that video to reach at least 40 likes. The last one I told you 20 likes, it reached 20 likes. That one we wanted to reach to 40, my friend. Did you like the video? Yes? Let's continue, my friend. Our other indicator is still in his place, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, that consolidation level, I tell it to you, is very, very, very clear now. Or accumulation level, or name it whatever you want. The levels, the names doesn't matter. The most important, I want you to learn how to trade. Look at here, it couldn't break it. Look at down here, it couldn't break it. How many times is being touching down here? Calculating with me, my friend. At the first time, second time, and here the third time, and here the fourth time. How many times he been touching up? The first time, second time, third time, fourth time. That's 4 times, my friend, in every 1. What's going to happen next? Because that's something I will tell it to you, it's always happening after the 5th time, my friend. 5th time, remember it, my friend, is going to come one of two, to break up or to break lower, or it might is going to come a fake breakout, then after that is going to go to the real direction, my friend. Everything is too clear. Now, I think for the scalpers and day traders, a very good opportunity in that consolidation level to day trade and scalp and to gain small profit. Is very good opportunity for you, my friend. It's very easy. Just use our indicator and you're going to make very nice profit those days. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend, and for that video don't be too long. Our indicator, as you see it, my friend, being here at the oversold, overbought, as you see, there's very high accurate signals here. So that we make nice profit those days. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. You don't need to buy us or nothing. It's free. We give it to you in one video here in our channel, how to make $100 trading cryptocurrency. Go to the channel and find that video. And in the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator, download it. And even in that video, we show you how to install it in your trading view. It will not take you even 5 minutes. So go and download it. The video indicator is free and install it and enjoy it. By the way, don't change nothing in the setting of it because those settings also we tested a lot of times. That's how we use it. Don't change nothing. And if you're going to use it, you use always stop loss. If you go into lower time frames, use stop loss. Remember those things, my friend. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. That's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.